Do you have achondroplasia or another form of short-limb dwarfism? Do you lack the means to produce healthy levels of cartilage in your skeleton? Do you feel you lack respect from your fully grown coworkers and friends? Do people ask, "Is anybody home?" when you answer the door because of your disadvantaged stature? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then our revolutionary new product, DWARFALIZER, is right for you! This product is fresh out of the lab, invented and formulated by experimental scientists. These are the same scientists that brought you the GMOs that you love. So what exactly is achondroplasia? This genetic disorder is, in most cases, caused by a mutation in the FGFR3 gene. This gene provides instructions on making a protein that is involved in the development and maintenance in the bone and brain tissue. Our researchers believe that these mutations caused the FGFR3 gene to be overly active, which interferes with skeletal development and lead to disturbances in bone growth. But who am I, a normal-sized human being, to talk about a disorder that I don't even have? Here, I have Chet Thud, an actual dwarf, to talk about achondroplasia and how DWARFALIZER saved her literal life.
Hi, I'm Chet. So I have achondroplasia, and that sucks. More specifically, when I was a baby, I had a large head with a broad forehead, which is a major sign of achondroplasia.
I also had a nose bridge and bowed legs. That being said, doctors diagnosed my dwarfism through the fetus in the uterus by ultrasonography when my mother was pregnant. Obviously, my growth is stunted, and I have a large forehead and short limbs. I also started receiving medical screenings from a very young age to track my bone development. It started with the prenatal ultrasound, then I had blood tests and imaging tests, as well as neurological exam after I was born. After that, I was enrolled in a sleep study, which can help determine whether I had a breathing disorder such as obstructive or central sleep apnea that interferes with sleep. Either type of apnea wakes a child, and these sleep interruptions can cause excessive daytime sleepiness.
However, my turmoil is not limited to my outward appearance, because I also have breathing problems due to the fact that I have scoliosis.
Chet can never be a normal height again, but she can correct small ailments in her body with surgeries such as removal of tonsils, spinal decompression, and fluid draining from the brain, correcting bone and spinal abnormalities, etc. So she got all these procedures done, but after the fact, she still felt incomplete and self-conscious about her disorder. So she turned to DWARFALIZER. DWARFALIZER is a new product that comes in a pill form. The way it works is that the person who purchases it must have achondroplasia, and the dwarf will slip the pill into the food or drink of the people that they are with, and the people around them will suddenly see them as a normal-sized person. The symptoms of giving out this pill are non-existent, and the symptoms of taking this pill are not important. But now, let's see how it has affected Chet.
His pill is so great. I don't have to change anything about my diet or lifestyle. I just have to make sure that the pill makes its way into the food or drinks of my guest. So easy.
I could have sworn Chet was a little person, but I guess she's not.
The largest corporation that advocates for dwarfism is the Little People of America. Every year they hold a fundraiser that allows little people to mingle and meet. So we decided to endorse and sponsor a portion of this event with our product, and in about 15 minutes, everyone looked to be normal sized to each other. The DWARFALIZER is truly going to revolutionize achondroplasia and dwarfism forever. Achondroplasia is a rare yet very well-known disease that scientists know all that needs to be known about it. It's a physical ailment with minor health conditions. However, the people who have it live on perfectly normal and healthy lives. DWARFALIZER is here to ensure that people with achondroplasia live out an easy and comfortable life in a world full of judgment.